You're good.
All right, so we're trying to do a repairability test and taking an ITAL sample for Mrs. Bordeaux here. So let's get going. First, I can tell you that the tar adhesive is hard to get apart. See, it's already trying to punch through the shingles above as well. And whenever I go to lift on it to try to get this out of there, it's starting to push through the shingles because they're so brittle. Okay. That right there already cracked the shingle even more. See, that pulled the whole tar bed out from right there. Just trying to get that loose. Come have a look at that. The entire tar bed came out right here on the shingle. They're just so brittle that it's coming apart. So it's initial damage right there. Okay, so shingle's out right now. Now we're gonna have to try and reinstall this shingle and see what happens here. So now, got all the nails out of the way so nothing's impeding the path. Now we have to nail these back down. We already have granules coming out as well. All right, so as a result here, we've got some granules that are coming off of these shingles. We've got the tar bed having been pulled in numerous locations here, creating damage to the structure of the actual shingle itself, non-repairable product.